All right, video 703. Let's fucking do this. Okay, in the PIMPSOB constant section, we got this origin XY set of constants. So KO stands for CuteBot origin, the top left origin of a 64 by 64 cluster of pixels within a 192 by 192 image. And because we have a 3 by 3 grid overlaid over that 192 by 192, that is a total of 9 cells indexed 0 to 8. So this is the origin, and this is the X component of that origin. These are the origins. This is the Y component of that. And you can see that we go 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and then 0, 1, 2 here, right? Because we're going in scan line order. We're defining all these in scan line order. Okay, let's go down to the next section. Green room to origin. So what is this? Well, we are going to take a subset of rooms within a hotel and call them green rooms. So the 3 by 3 cluster of rooms within the center of a hotel, we're going to give them special green room indexes. So we have green room index 0 to 8, and we want to know for a certain green room cell, cell, what is the CuteBot origin X and what is the CuteBot origin Y. So that is what's going on in this little table here. And is this indirection necessary? That's kind of right here. I actually don't know, but here it is. Let's not worry too much about it. Let's just fucking get the code working, right? First priority is working code. Okay, so in PIMPSOB top level data section, this lookup table is kind of a valid conception because KC9 and GR8 are they mean the exact same thing. They're the same index and they map to the same exact places, but they're just the difference is the context, right? This is the cell within the rendering engine. This is the cell within the 192 by 192 image that's been sliced into a 3 by 3 grid. Whenever we have to make an arbitrary choice between KC9 and GR8, we're going to choose GR8. So this is a monkey wrench macro, right? These are monkey wrench macros telling me to use these lookup tables, which are down here. Green room to origin XY. So the green room index goes in, origin X goes out, and here's all of our constants. And then we also have green room index to origin Y. So the green room index goes in and the origin Y goes out. And then we're going to make sure that the lookup table has the correct number of entries. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am done. I'm out of here. Like and subscribe.